Alright, so what we're going to do today, I'm going to show you how to write an equation like we did on page 45, where you had the 2 points, you found the slope, then you used point slope, and then you solved it. I'm going to show you how to do the same thing but using technology today, basically your calculator, to do that today. If you don't have a calculator, you'll have to do it like we did on page 45, and we did the Socrative that was supposed to help you and we were supposed to practice. This is also like the IXL Y.2 and S.23 and S.24 a little bit, and S.12. So on page 48, I'm going to show you with technology, and what we're going to do today is IXL in the 8th grade activity Z.11. And so basically what we're going to do today is use technology to make a table in the calculator and to write an equation. Write an equation from a table. So the steps are a little bit long. There's 11 steps, but writing the steps will probably take longer, and as soon as I show you, I'm confident that you'll be able to do this correctly. So the very first step is you go to New Document. I'm going to have you first write the steps, and I'll show you step by step. After you go to New Document, you're going to press number 4. It is List and Spreadsheets. And then you're going to, for A, you're going to type in X. For B, you're going to type in Y. And then for number 4, you're going to make your table. Sorry? What? Yep, that's Z.11 is the one that we're going to practice this skill with. So I'll show you real quick what it looks like. New document. We don't use Sketchpad. I've already tried to tell you not to use Sketchpad. We press number 4. I'll show you in a minute. Y'all can just look for now. But see where it says A, you're going to type in X for A, and then for B, you're going to type in Y. Very, very important right here where it says equals, that's where you write the equation. Please don't do it now. Just look up here. For now, do not put anything here because we're going to go from a table to an equation. So even if you put something here and then you erase it sometimes, it's going to mess up everything. So please don't put anything where it says equals. It might actually mess up everything and you'll have to erase. Alright, so then you're going to type in your table. After you type in your table, you're going to press Control Document. After you press Control Document, we're making a new page, and you're going to press number 5, and number 5 is Data and Statistics. And then after you do Data and Statistics, you're going to press, you're going to have to click where it says Click to Add Variable. On the horizontal, you'll click on Y. On the vertical, the one going up and down, you'll click on Y. Now, if you forgot to put in X and Y for A and B, then it's not going to do it correctly. For number 8, after you do that, you're going to press Menu. 4, 6. 4 is for Analyze. And number 6 is Regression. I'll move it up. What were you saying, Mary?
What is number 5?
Number 5 is Control Doc. It's a button that's a yellow button, and it's a button that says Doc. Number 5 is Data and Statistics. And then after you press Menu 4, 6, there are 3 options in this class because we're going to only talk about 3 kinds of functions in this class. The one that we're going to do today is 1 because we're talking about linear functions. Here's how you know. It's going to look like, the points are going to look like a line. Later we're going to press 4, which is quadratic, and it's going to look like a U, like the letter U. And then we're going to do eventually number 8, which is exponential. But today, like I said, we're pretty much only going to do linear for today. Number 4 is quadratic. So, I'm going to give you a few seconds to quickly write this down for the students who are live in this class, and then I'll put it back up, but I want to show in the video how to do this. So a few more seconds to copy everything down. If you don't copy everything, you can in just a minute. So make sure you have a calculator because we're about to do the example. Alright, so I'm going to show you. You're going to go to the IXL. And we're going to do, this is in the 8th grade activity. Just look up here for now just so we can have an example. And then you'll have enough time, I think, to do it on your own. Alright, so they're going to give you a table. Here's the table we're going to use today for this example. So, on your calculator, you're going to go ahead and go to New Document. Do not use Sketchpad. You cannot do this on Sketchpad. I will say this over and over again. We don't use Sketchpad. Alright? Press 1. Do you want to save? No. And then you're going to add number 4, please. I'm seeing some people not do this on their calculator. That's why I'm staring at them. Please press number 4. Alright, and in a minute I'm going to put check on your paper once you have this. You're going to press on number 4, List and Spreadsheets. Once you get here, you're going to go up to A and you're going to type in X. For B, you're going to type in Y. And then you're going to make the table here. Alright? And so here's the table. Please copy the table. Press enter after each time, because if you don't, it will mess you up. Make sure you press enter after every single time. Okay? So it should look like this on your calculator. It should look like this on your calculator. I'm going to ask you to show me a calculator. Ali, I can see yours. Dieudonné, please show me your calculator. Please turn it. Okay, so let me see yours. Omar. Let me see Xochitl's calculator, your calculator, Masrina. Okay, this table AB, your calculator. Linda, let me see your calculator, please. Can you turn it the other way? Linda, that does not look correct. Let me see. Raul, can I see your calculator? Can I see your calculator, Anel and Alejandro? Okay, alright, so once you have that, what you're going to do, thank you, Miriam. What you're going to do is press Control Dock. Control is the yellow, and then Dock is underneath the little house. Control Dock. It's going to give you the menu again. This time you're going to press 5 or Data and Statistics. 5. Then you're going to see the dots. If you did it correctly, you're going to see 4 dots. If you didn't do it correctly, you're going to see lots of dots, and they're going to be everywhere, and it's not going to look like mine. Okay, let me see yours, Dieudonné and Omar. Can I see your calculators, please? Give me just 1 minute, please. Dieudonné, can I please see your calculator? Thank you. Just show me your calculator. Show me your calculator. Anel. It won't look exactly the same, but you should only have 4 dots. Can I see yours? Huh? Control Dock, not Control Menu. Control Dock. Control Document. Can I see your calculators over here? Alright. Then you're going to, look, you're going to use the mouse. Sure. I was here, and then I press Control Dock. It's fine. I'll show you what's going to happen. And then you press number 5. Alright. So then you have here. It won't look exactly like mine until you do the next step. You're going to use the mouse. And you're going to see where it says click to add variable. You're going to click. You're going to click on X. And it's going to move the points like this. Then you're going to use the mouse again. You're going to click where it says click to add variable, and you're going to click on the Y because this is the vertical, that's the horizontal. Now all of our points should look the same, and they look like a line. So you're going to press menu 461. Menu 461. And then you're going to get the equation. I'm going to show you again. Oops. Yes. I'm not sure what you mean by go back, but I'm going to show this because I'm recording, so I'm going to do this real quick, Miriam. Menu 461, because it's a line. Menu 461. And you're going to get your equation. I'm going to walk around and help everybody